ring topology. What is ring topology? Ring topology is like a bus topology, but the connected ends are both ends will be connected. Okay, it is also similar as bus, but what is the thing here? Ends will be connected. Ends will be connected. Okay, for example, what is the structure here? It is the computer 1, it is the computer 2, assume it is the computer 3, and it is the computer 4, and it is the computer 5. Here, when the data wants to send, when the one computer wants to send the data to another computer, the data will be traveled through the clockwise. The data flow of only one direction, that is the clockwise direction. Data flow is one direction from sender to receiver. Okay, it has no terminated ends. Okay, why? Because all the ends is connected, so there is no terminated links. The data flow in a single loop continuously known as a endless loop. Okay, the data in a ring topology flow in a clockwise direction, that is the starting to ending. And the most common access of method in the ring topology is token passing. Okay, the most important thing is token passing. What is the meaning of token passing? Token passing is nothing but it is in a network access method in which token is passed from one node to another node. Okay, token passing is nothing but what? A network access method in which token has to be passed from one node to another node. Okay, for example, in this network, computer 1 wants to send the data to the computer 4. The data is sending from computer 1 to 4. Okay, here for example, the sender sends the data from computer 1 to computer 2. At the time C2 have any frame to send means the initially the computer 1 task will be stopped. This frame data will be traveled. Okay, after the completion of this frame data, then only the computer 1 data frame will be transmitted from sender to destination. Okay, here, and what is the advantages in a ring topology? The advantages of a ring topology is network management. Okay, what is the meaning of network management? The network management means the devices can be removed from the network without bringing the network down. If any system is failure, then automatically particular system will be removed. Why? Because if any system is failure means the system will be stop the transmission of the data, so immediately the failure system will be removed from the network. What about cost? The cost of this topology is also very less, because here also no need to establish any other equipments, very low cost. It is also very low cost. And reliable communication. What is the meaning of reliable? When you are using this ring topology, there is a guarantee for delivery of the messages. Reliable communication, it provides the reliable communication. And what about the disadvantages? Disadvantages are the difficult to troubleshooting. What is the difficult to troubleshooting means? It requires specialized test equipment to determine the cable faults. Okay, the first disadvantage is difficult to troubleshoot. Difficult to troubleshooting. Okay, okay. Next, the failure. The second one is the failure. What is the failure here? Failure is nothing but what? The breakdown of a one station leads to failure the overall network. Why? Because if any system is in this ring topology, if any system is damaged, then the entire loop will be damaged. So this is the one of the failure. Okay, these all are the about the ring topology. Ring topology is similar as a bus topology, it will send the data through the clockwise direction from sender to receiver. Okay, here but the data will be traveled through the several lanes. The data will be traveled from one node to another node. In between, while traveling the data one from sender to receiver, the data will be processed several intermediate nodes. Several intermediate nodes are computers. Okay, thank you everyone.